All right, we've got some big news, and it really happened back in April, and this is sort of on the process of when will it roll out right now. But Google's AI mode has announced that there will be a big change in the way that links are opened up, specifically if you're on Chrome on desktop. And Google's AI mode is their generative experience, their agentic search. And it's now rolling out. If you're a listener to Marketing Clock, you've heard it rolling out to Maps and to YouTube back in May. What they are doing is when you click on a citation, click on a link from AI mode, instead of operating like a traditional Google search, where the window is taking you to the click, to the website of the click, this new change will open a page in a split screen so that AI mode is always there. And I think in general, this could be good for users and very bad for publishers, especially if your website doesn't cater to your audience. And what do I mean by that? Making a click and being completely removed from Google, a lot of times you may have a longer leash, is to say, oh, I know this page that Google recommended in the search results pages has the information I'm looking for somewhere. And by just making it split screen and having all of those other answers or results there and other citations and places that you can go, if users don't find what they're looking for or don't like your experience, I think this could be a big deal because they can just X out, still have everything right back up and still be there in AI mode. So a few things of note with this. I would highly recommend that as this is rolling out, you do some significant testing. Make sure that your website, you probably have been building websites to fit full screen, and we are now going to be having things show split screen. So making sure you have a good experience with that is like table stakes, right? And then also really looking at user behavior. I think that's a huge way that webmasters and site owners can win is by saying, this is what people are looking for. I now have another new task on my plate to make sure that people are engaged in enjoying my website and then giving them the information that they want. So it's really, I think, will be overall a big benefit to users. However, you may see increased bounce rates. You may see lower session time on site. There's a lot of things that really could be negatively impacted with the split screen change. Again, only on Chrome, only on desktop. So I would just look at your metrics and then also really invest in some behavioral tracking tools. Microsoft Clarity is a good free one that you can use out there. But yeah, I really enjoyed the split screen update to Chrome, and I was wondering, like, oh, this is very cool. You can just have two windows open in one. And then when they made this announcement, I'm like, oh, poof, light bulb. This is why they did the split screen. So overall, I'm assuming this is going to be worse for AI mode, but I'm also hoping, and we're seeing some signs that there's more citations, more links. So I really hope that Google leans back into sending people to these different websites, generating more traffic, even if it's on a different screen. That is the hope. And if that continues to decline, although we've seen signs of that sort of going back up, I think we're all in big trouble. So let's just hope it doesn't decline here. And if you have any questions, have any insights, want to know what your site looks like on different screen sizes, need any help in that area, or just want to come up with a game plan for AEO, GEO, HEO, whatever EO, don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call.